Hi, in this video we will look on mouse Logitech G305 in white version and compare it with black version. So let's go on it. So first we look on box. So white version is a little different in box. And now we open. Here is mouse. Sticker G. Color collection. Some manuals, first and second. And here is only USB cable, not for charging, only for a receiver. And mouse, voila, here is it, white version G305. Very sleek, very nice. And here is one Duracell battery. This is USB receiver. Yeah. And when I compare white to black, so black version is here. Top side is same, only black and white. On bottom side, this is all black, and white version have same black rubber feet and black circle. Button blue, red, it's same, and black version is completely black, and white version has cover white and inside is same black. Now we look on weight comparison, white and black. So yep, and in gram 74, and black version 74. So black is weight same as white, not different. On some website is wrote that black version is about 2 gram lower, but it's not true. My white 73, 74, and yeah, it's same, 74 grams, both black and white. Logitech G305 in white version, or for someone in black, or you can buy for example blue and purple. This mouse is very good because you can buy for $40–50 wireless mouse. It's on one AA battery its bonus design. Yeah, it's simple but working and very nice. In my eyes, this mouse is very good. And maybe one problem, this mouse G305, it's for people who have smaller hands. But optical sensor from Logitech, 12,000 dps, really good. So for this price is this mouse very good choice. So see you in some next video. Bye!